What's up, friends? It's your girl Quela, and I am back with another video. Today is Vlogtober day 5. Vlogtober day 5, y'all. So before I get to this video, y'all, I know y'all had realized, y'all did, for those that didn't realize and for those that did realize, I had changed my channel name to Kicking It with Quela. I basically decided to change my channel name to that only because it's like very rare when you see somebody, when you looking up something on YouTube, it's either babbling with such and such or chilling with such and such, and you know, it's your girls, da da da, it's stuff like that. And I just wanted to be different and step outside the box, okay, if y'all understand what I'm saying. So yeah, so my channel name is officially changed to Kicking It with Quela, and without the narsha. The narsha is my middle name, but without the narsha, just plain Kicking It with Quela. As you guys, how y'all see it, is how it is. So yes, that's just a little FYI to let you guys know that yes, I did change my channel name from Quelanarsha to Kicking It with Quela. From now on, y'all still my friends, okay? Y'all still my friends. I'm gonna call you guys. What's up, besties? It's your girl Quela. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back. That's what I'm gonna say. What's up, besties? It's your girl Quela. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna say, okay? So yeah. Alright. Needless to say, y'all, as you guys can tell about the Halloween vlog today, it's gonna be Halloween vlog with us making some pumpkin spice cinnamon buns with my babies. So I'm gonna be making some pumpkin spice cinnamon buns. I seen it at the store. And y'all already know I had to go ahead and grab it because, you know, it's October. It's that season. Why not, okay? So, yes, that's what we're going to be doing tonight. Making some pumpkin spice cinnamon buns. And it's 5 of them. So, it's like, they real huge. So, it's only 5 big rolls in here. So, I don't know. I think I think it's normally 5 in there. If I'm not mistaken, I'm thinking it's normally 5 that come in it. Or it's probably just something that's seasonal. But yeah, this is how it look, guys. And they got the pumpkin spice rolls. I don't know if the... Oh, okay. So the rolls itself is pumpkin spice, and it say with pumpkin spice icing. So the rolls itself is pumpkin spice, and the icing is pumpkin spice. So yes, I'm gonna be doing it with my babies. Junior is here. And we also having popcorn night, so movie and popcorn night as well. Watching Halloween movie. So tell them what you got to tell them. Now that you back.
So it's good. I told her that. I thought tomorrow I'm gonna be this. Go to school. And then I get out of school. Play the game.
What you gonna be doing when you get out of school?
Play the game, play basketball, play my toy, and then get something to eat, and then get something to drink.
Look, say hi to them.
Hi.
Say hi. How old are you? 2?
You said 2.
Say I'm 2. He was eating ketchup. He was eating fries, y'all. He got ketchup all in his hair, y'all. We got popcorn. White cheddar popcorn season. I bought this from Walmart, y'all. It's still brand new. I haven't even opened it yet. So it's white cheddar popcorn seasoning, and I want to try it, and hopefully it's good. Okay, y'all. Go wash your hands, Johnny, and come back. Wash your hands with some soap to 20. You gonna wash your hands too? No. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and get started, yo.
Peace out. Bye-bye.
Oh, there you go. Oh, this is how they look, y'all. Oh, it smells so good, too.
That's cool.
All right, so first thing we're going to do, Junior,
What?
is we're going
Right?
to spray it, the non-stick spray.
Why?
So I'm going to stick.
Put the teeth and grab it.
So now what you're going to do,
Whatever way. Why is this my secret? It tastes so good. Now,
All right. So put the last one on.
Yay.
This is how they look, y'all. Junior just threw them on her any kind of way, but it's okay. She didn't know. So this is it, y'all. So I put it in the oven for until they look done. And that's it. Then when they get done cooking, I'm gonna be back. I said sauce on the, put the cinnamon roll sauce on here. Go wash your hands and put the cinnamon roll sauce on here. All right, y'all. Our pumpkin spice cinnamon rolls is now done. Dun, 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 dun. Y'all see it. So they now done, y'all. So I had to let them cool off for like at least 5 minutes. In the midst of me doing that, I was over here making me some TikTok videos, y'all. Like I'm always being extra. I'm always being extra. But nah, for real. We about to right now put some the pumpkin spice icing on it that come with it.
Can I put on?
Hold on. We probably should have put it on while it was still hot. I mean, they is still hot. So, I mean, it's cool. So, we're going to stop. So, we're going to go ahead and try it out, y'all.
Am I doing the one nasty for this? Tomatoes.
Huh?
Tomato and onions. I'm going to make you cry. You want to put it on? Can I try?
Yeah. Let me get you a spoon. Huh, get the spoon. Spread it on there. So now we're going to spread it on here. Spread it. So this icing is thick. So just spread it. Spread it on the ones that I'm putting them on. So this icing, hold on, bye-bye, I'm about to get you. This icing is thick.
Good.
I hope it's good though. What you think? You think it's going to be good?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, it gotta be good. I mean,
it's not really hot like that. So this is how they look. We're trying our best to spread them all over. Let me step back. Yep. This one right here, y'all, as y'all can see, it didn't really spread all over. But it's okay. Because the cinnamon rolls itself is pumpkin spice. So, baby, whatever I didn't taste on the cinnamon icing, did not taste on the cinnamon rolls. Did you feel me?
Yeah.
I play too much?
No.
No.
You like it?
You don't need a spoon, June. You want one whole one just try and try it?
Just want to try it.
Alright. It's a bad one. Or just try it.
I can one. How it taste? How it taste?
Everybody gonna get their own opinion. You wanna try it?
Yeah.
Huh?
Wow.
Stand right here so you can let them know how it tastes, Junior. They can't see your face. Bite it. Oh, you heavy. How it taste?
Good.
Bite it.
It tastes good?
How it tastes? Good.
It's tough.
Let me try it. Now it's Mama's turn to try it.
I was scared. It's good.
It's good.
I told you.
It's like good.
It is.
Yeah.
It's good. It's not nothing I buy again, but it is good.
One piece.
You want another piece, Junior?
Yeah.
He keep on trying to taste this ice cream.
I love ice cream.
The hand is not even hot no more. But still. Oh, wash his hand because I can't do right there.
One piece. You want to take the ice cream?
Ready,
He
go.
wants the ice cream. Hi, Junior. On a scale from 1 to 10, what would you get this?
6.
A 6?
Pumpkin spice is nasty.
You know, this is the pumpkin spice, actual cinnamon rolls, and the ice and pumpkin spice. So both of them.
Nasty. Pumpkin spice is not good.
Junior, on a scale from 1 to 10, what would you give it?
2,000. It's good.
He said 2,000. I can't. Scale of 1 to 10, I would give this a. I give it a 7.5. A 7.5. It's not bad. It's not too bad. Yes, baby. Yes. On the scale of 1 to 10, Zaya, what would you get it? Huh, Baba? On the scale of 1 to 10, what would you give this? Huh? A 9? He said 9. Okay. So Bubba gave it a 9. Daddy gave it a 6. Junior, the only one that gave it a weird number, talking about 2,000. You want another piece?
I do.
Zaya just like the icing off of it. He don't even want the cinnamon roll except he just wants the icing.
I want the cinnamon roll. Can I get the
You
cookie?
dropped it.
Can I get something? Can I get it?
You gonna?
Can I get something?
I'm gonna put you on one on the plate.
Yay!
So it is good, y'all. Don't forget, it is limited edition. So if I was y'all, like, go ahead and try only a limited edition only. So yeah. Joy, you want a whole one?
Yeah.
You cooked this.
The bro.
You didn't get that one.
This is mine.
You did that. Joy put it here, y'all, because Joy actually cooked the cinnamon roll. I just helped him with it. It was good, y'all. It really was. Next, we're going to go ahead and pop some popcorn. Throw this bad boy in the microwave. You see what I'm saying? I'm not good with popping popcorn, so hopefully it turned out right, because this is our only bag. Okay? So, I think I might let Isaiah cook this, because this is our only bag, and I'm not good with popping popcorn at all, and I'm not trying to burn this only bag. So, yeah, I got to be careful with this. Yes, Zaire. Isaiah, come here real quick. Can you pop this for me? This is our only popcorn, so I'm not trying to mess it up. That's why I asked you. Did you good with popping popcorn? Where your cup of water is, Isaiah? Go get your cup off the table. He good with popping popcorn, y'all. I am not good with popping popcorn at all. Like, I be burning it. Well, we really don't eat popcorn. Well, we do, but we don't. It's very rare. This popcorn look good. Look.
Nice
see
and
it?
fresh.
It's nice and fresh, ain't it?
Yeah.
Y'all, stop. You finna tear the whole bowl down. All right, y'all. So I'm about to go in here. Ooh. What?
I want to tell you.
I'm thirsty.
Drink your water.
I'm over here drinking this bowl. Huh? Hold this for me.
This.
Talk to them.
Yeah. My teeth, y'all. Now my teeth came out because I don't know why. Can I smell with this
Look at your brother.
bone thing?
You put icing all on my tripod. All right. You know you didn't want that whole cinnamon roll anyway. Go wash your hands. All right, we gotta find us a movie to watch on Netflix. We gotta find us a Halloween movie. I really just came on here, y'all, just to basically let y'all. I'm gonna try this popcorn seasoning on camera as well. Let me open it. Try this popcorn seasoning on camera. Isaiah, you tried this white cheddar popcorn seasoning? Come here, come try it with me. I only put a little on. Y'all want to try it?
Yeah.
We just trying everything tonight, y'all. The pumpkin spice, cinnamon roll, the popcorn. Oh, it's fast.
Let me see.
Woo! This fast. Okay. I see Walmart showing up and showing out and whatnot with this seasoning. Try the popcorn seasoning. Stop being so camera shy. Stop being camera shy.
I'll taste none.
You don't taste none? Put some on there.
Wait, put some on mine. Put some on mine. Yep, it's on mine.
Fat, ain't it? That's fat. Boy, you know that's fat.
Piss
That's
on
fat.
mine. Papa can piss on mine. Mommy. Mommy.
The kids like when I do this face, y'all.
Mommy.
Isaiah, look.
Mommy.
Look at this. This is the last time I'ma call you in here. I'm gonna put stop.
No.
I play too much. No, I'm finna go here. Your popcorn seasoning good. 100. It's something on this one. You wanna try something, Zaire? How about Bubba? Zaire probably. Huh, try it, Bubba. Put it in your mouth, huh? Hold it in your hand. You know how to hold it in your hand. Eat it. Boy, you better not throw that popcorn away. That's my little bag of popcorn. Pick that popcorn up, throw it in the garbage. He over here playing around, over here messing up with my popcorn. And that's our only bed too. You gotta be crazy. We gotta put it down. Move back. I said, how much longer you gonna be on the watching the comic? Yeah. You wanna watch a Halloween movie, not to, or you don't want to at night? You scared? I'm saying, like, do you want to watch a movie or just a regular movie? Huh?
No. Halloween.
Halloween?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Alright, y'all. I'm about to go ahead and watch the movie. This white cheddar popcorn seasoning.
Oh, yeah.
Y'all won't go wrong. I'm telling y'all.
Yeah.
Bad at your local Walmart.
Yup.
Mm-hmm.
It's
5.
Yup.
Tell them. Say bye-bye, y'all.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
And say thank you for watching our video.
Thank you for watching our video.
With the pumpkin spice. Junior made the pumpkin spice. Cinnamon bun. Cinnamon roll. My boy out here is chef. I got kindergarten. A chef and that's in kindergarten. Stop. That's not a chef. That's a baker, right? Somebody. But I'm about to go ahead and end this vlog right here, y'all. Look at all the little cinnamon rolls over there. I gotta clean up this kitchen, y'all.
Bye-bye.
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 I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog right here. This was to basically let y'all see us make the cinnamon roll, pumpkin spice cinnamon rolls for the first time. The first time trying the white cheddar popcorn. And yeah. Well, regular popcorn shopping. It's regular popcorn, but it got the white cheddar seasoning, is what I meant to say. But it's pretty good though. It's really good. So I got a long day ahead of me tomorrow. I want y'all to continue to pray for my family and just keep us in your prayers as we lay my grandma to rest tomorrow. Yes, I'm just trying to stay in good spirits and just keep my mind focused and stuff in that nature, because baby, I could drive myself crazy thinking about my granny, and I love her so much. So that's why I'm just trying to keep my head focused and just, you know, do stuff around the house with the kids to keep myself focused. Oh, okay. But yes, needless to say, y'all, thank you, babies, for tuning to our videos, y'all. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to be notified when your girl quelanarsha drop these bangers, because they're coming for us in 2022. That's what? Period, y'all. Period. And we're gonna see y'all in another video.